Kevin. Hi, I'm kind of hungry.
Where did you come from today?
Santa Monica.
Santa Monica. Wow, all 12.5.
Kevin, did you run here from Santa Monica?
No, that would be a good idea though, but I'm going back now. So.
It's about 10 miles, right?
Let's give it up for Kevin. Kevin.
Ben? Where are you from, Ben?
Sacramento.
Now, Ben, where are you from?
I'm San Jose.
San Jose.
San Jose. Yay.
Okay, we're trying to
Wait,
think
where
if
are
we
you
can
from?
like actually do it, but it's actually bigger than I
Westwood.
thought.
UCLA.
Hot dog, what's your name and where are you from?
My name is Raphael.
I
I'm
like
from
cheese.
Danoise in Oxnard.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye, vamos.
Steve,
Steven from San Diego.
San Diego. Victor.
Victor from South Central.
South Central from Victor. Victor from South Central.
Where are you from?
I am Will from Glendale.
Glendale.
9 miles from here.
Eric.
I'm from Temple City.
Eric from Temple City. Angie.
I'm from Chino Hills.
Hey, Angie from Chino Hills. And then Harry.
Harry from San Mateo.
Harry from San Mateo.
All right. Last one.
Lastly,
Isaiah from Boyle Heights.
Isaiah from Boyle Heights. Okay? Okay, CS.
All right. Well, you guys heard the rules. You saw the strategies from the group of four, so that gives you a little extra advantage, and hopefully you can eat at least half a hot corn dog more. Yeah? No? Okay. We'll see how you do. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
All right. Ready, set, go. 5 minutes on the clock. I'll give you a reminder at the 4, 3, 2, 1.
Just stand up.
Oh,
Corn
so
dog goes down more smoothly or something, right?
let's go. Smile. Hot dog. Go. Let's go, hot dog.
I think no matter what Rafael embodies,
Oh my God, here is.
smile.
Está bailando, cada loco con su tema, sí. Ay, let's give it up for Rafael. Vamos. Ha.
Tonight, Kevin's having his very first Korean corn dog
Wow, first time ever.
ever.
En serio. Welcome to the first ever inaugural Korean hot dog eating contest presented by Smile Hot Dog. 조금만 높여줄 수 있으세요? 조금만 크게. Let's get ready. On two.
Mary came down from San Mateo just to eat this corn dog. That's how good they are. Hot dogs.
And Team Green, Eric, 1, 2, 3, 4, William, not even close. Victor, what are you doing here? Steven, I love you. Rafael, you, I think you're interested in dance, right? Yeah. Green, kick it up, girl.
Come on, let's see more than one, man.
You know, I've been having so much fun. I forgot to give you guys a countdown, but we have 2 minutes and 10 seconds left.
Para 2 minutos, últimos 2 minutos. Damas y caballeros, están aquí en el centro, el corazón de Koreatown. Para
Wow,
celebrar.
Eric, you just finished 3?
3.
Oh, wow, Eric finished 3. He's on his 4th one.
Eric, 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 Eric.
Harry's on his 4th one, too.
Let's go, Harry.
Let's go, Harry, come on.
Y Rafael bailando todavía. Ahí, ahí, ahí. Right, this is the second round for the first ever Korean hot dog.
Come on, 1 minute left, 1 minute left. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Last 1 minute, my compañero. Último 1 minuto.
Pali, pali, pali.
Dale, 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 dale. Once again, let's make some noise for the contestant. Woo!
45 seconds left.
45.
It's the 4th one, 45 seconds left.
45. 40.
30 seconds left.
Thank you. I can be enjoying the Smile hot dogs.
You guys are doing great. No choking. That leads to success. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Wow.
One note we want to make up for everyone who was in the first round, even if you were not in the top 3, could you please come back up to the side stage, please?
Okay, let's do the count. So Kevin, who ran 10 miles this morning, 1 3/4 hot dog, corn dog. Ben, 1 corn dog.
Let's go, Van.
Not bad. 1.5. Queen, 2 for Queen. Hot dog, you had 2.5.
Good job, Greg.
Good job, Raphael.
Steven has 2. Victor, you have 3? You have 3. Victor has 3. William has 2 3/4. Eric has 3. 4th one has this left. I think he might be the winner. Eric.
Eric.
Angie, you did very well. She ate 2 and she's 2 and a quarter. That's awesome. Harry had 3.5. Isaiah had 3 and a quarter. Wow, so Eric, and who else has more
So
than
it
3?
seems like the top 3 I heard were Eric at 3 7/8, Harry at 3.5, and Isaiah at 3 1/4.
It's all over here then. Stand up, please. Stand
So the
up.
top 3, can you guys stand up?
Can you guys stand up and take
Hold
your...
on to your plates
Right,
with
hold on to
the
your plates.
corn dogs.
Thank you, and we want the other contestants.
Thank you everyone else for
we want the other
participating, but
contestants to come up? Or no?
10 minute encore.
can the top 3 from this round come to the back of the stage? We're gonna compare the scores with the first round's top 3, and then we'll choose the ultimate top 3 winners. Everyone else who participated but were not in the top 3, please just come to the side of the stage because we still want to commemorate you guys.
Yes,
For your
by
miles.
giving you more corn dogs for dinner tonight.
Eric, Harry, Isaiah, come on back. Edwin, Johnny Cash, and Bishay. Come on up. Everyone else come to the side of the stage for a second.
Thank you, Van. Hope you're full with 1 corn dog. If you wanna take your course.
Alright, Harry and Edwin both scored down 3.5 corn dogs. 3.5 more than any of us have ever eaten on this stage. So let's first give them a round of applause for making it this far.
So they have 3.5 corn dogs already. Another 2 minutes run off. Let's see if she can finish one. Right? Guys love the hot corn dogs to go, right? Take some water too.
Who can sing this song? Who can sing this song? ¿Quién puede cantar esa canción? Who can sing this song? Three hot dogs. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Go.
You guys almost ready?
Alright, let's say a prayer. Lord, protect Harry and Edwin from...
Let's go.
Okay, 2 minutes. Ready, set, go! So guys, 1 minute and 20 seconds left till the golden trophy is. Let's go to a high.
Come on, let's go, Harry.
Last minute till you can stop eating a corn dog.
Another minute left. One more minute. One more. Don't give up. Don't give up. Finish it. Go. 30 more seconds of your life. $300 difference. The $300
40
30
seconds
$300 difference.
Vamos.
30 seconds.
Give me the Labubu if you win. Give me the Labubu if you win.
20.
20. Put it down. Let's go.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, it's so
Another
close.
one up.
We need to bust out a measuring tape.
One more run up.
One more.
Alex, here's a measurement tape.
You know what?
Wait, where is the owner of Smile Hot Dog?
Hold on.
Jacob.
Hold on. Edwin ate the sausage inside.
We'll let Jacob be the judge
I know.
of who the second place winner is. Let Jacob be the judge.
We have to weigh him. Oh, that's a good idea. Okay, Edwin won.
Edwin wins second place.
Edwin, how does it feel to win the first corn dog contest of Korean Festival Foundation?
Sí, levántate, sí. Space.
Oh my God, sorry. Wait, hold on. My mistake. That was your second and third? Eric won?
Second and third, mamma mia, you guys, vete.
Wait, hold on. Eric, you won?
Yes, first place was already done.
Sit down and show us how much you ate in 1 minute, please. Okay, we got it. Eric came in first. That was for second and third place. Edwin, he came in second again. All right, Eric, come here.
Eric ate 3 and
Eric,
7 ate
Eric.
corn dogs.
First place. Korean Festival.
Space.
All right, so we have a wonderful trophy, a golden trophy for all of the top 3 contestants. Jacob, would you mind reading the first place trophy as you hand it to the winner? We'll start with the third place.
Okay, so we'll start with the third. So hold on.
So Harry is third
Harry,
place.
Harry, come on.
Hi everyone, I'm Jacob. I'm from Smile Hot Dog. Nice to meet you guys. Can we just give it up for the contestants? Come on. One last time. They did an amazing job. Alright, so I'm gonna be presenting the trophies for a third, second, and first place. If you guys could just make some noise with me as you just congratulate them in third place. In third place, it's a trophy battered but proud. In third place, can we just make some noise for Harry? All right, so now in second place, it's called Still Hungry, Still a Winner. In second place, we have, drum roll please, Edwin! All right, now, can we just make a big round of applause for number 1? It's the Corn Dog Conqueror! And coming in first place, can we make some noise for